Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my huge master closet declutter. Both me and my boyfriend Sam are going to be completely decluttering and reorganizing our master closet in our bedroom. And we will be following the Konmari method for the most part, where we pull everything out of the closet, touch every single article, item, thanking those items that we are ready to let go of and no longer bring us joy. If you are new to my channel, hi, how's it going? My name's Annie. I make videos about DIY projects, home decor, seasonal decorating, some crafting, cleaning videos, and a whole array of lifestyle fluff. So if that's your jam, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also, give me a follow on Instagram. I post tons of my DIY projects and home decor on my page over there. So I have started a series on my channel called The Closet Diaries. I have been making my way slowly around the house, redoing all of the closets to be more organized, more functional, and more aesthetically pleasing. So this is going to be episode 4 in my series. If you haven't seen my other closet makeovers, I'll have them linked below in the description box. And since this is the master closet, this is a pretty big project to tackle. So this episode is actually going to be 2 parts. This is part 1, and then next week I'll be posting part 2, which is going to be the actual closet makeover where I completely rip out all the current shelving. I'm painting and installing a whole brand new closet system and then reorganizing all our items in there. So be on the lookout for that video. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Here is an abridged tour of my current closet situation. It is a walk-in closet. It's not huge by any means, but it's a walk-in. It's nice. We've got the basic built-in shelves here. They're starting to sag. Not very good use of space. This is mostly my side. My boyfriend does have a couple of things over here just because it goes down to the ground. Obviously it's overstuffed. Space isn't used very well. I've got a couple of baskets of stuff, sweatshirts, some junk I actually never wear up here. This is mostly like longer cardigans, sweaters, and then dresses. We have some hooks over here. We need to get some more of that in here. This is Sam, my boyfriend's side. He's got some storage, some stuff he never wears up there. And then we've got the double stacked shelves. This is mine, so these are like my nicer shirts and then some skirts. We've got some suitcase down here. Probably gonna figure out a new home for that. And then all this is my boyfriend Sam's. And then we've got this sloppy shoe rack. It's just not a good use of space. Both of us have a lot to get rid of. And then over here in my dresser, I have some things. I'll probably get to this last. So we've got like whole bunch of t-shirts. I do keep them organized, but I have too many. And then down here is like sweatpants, pajamas, leggings, stuff like that. And then in here is underwear and socks. So literally going to declutter every single thing. My boyfriend has his own dresser on his side of the bed. So we are going to really hit it. So first thing I'm doing is emptying out the first part of my closet, which is going to be all the hanging items. So this is going to include cardigans, some shirts, and dresses. I have this rolling IKEA rack that I'm using to sort all my items, so everything that I know I'm going to be getting rid of and is hanging, I will put on here. So first up, I'm going through my skirts. Everything that I am setting over to the left side, I know I'm keeping, and what is in my hand are things that I know I can let go of. So like I said, everything that I'm planning on getting rid of, I am putting over to the left side on this rolling rack. Next, I'm going through some sweaters and shirts. Anything in my hand again are things that I know I can get rid of. Can you tell I like stripes? And then anything that I wasn't sure about or had to try on or just needed to put some more thought into, I put on the right side of the rack. So here's a closer look at my pile. I've got my keep pile and my maybe pile. You'll see a couple times I had a hard time deciding about things. Just as it goes in the Konmari method, if it's something that's just worn out and served its purpose, I thanked it and let it go. All right, now I'm moving on to my dresses. Alright, and I went through my keep pile one more time just to kind of make sure it was really pared down. And then anything I was indecisive about or needed to try on, I did that. Then I moved on to emptying out the shelving in my closet. So most of this stuff is going to be sweatpants, accessories, stuff that I actually really don't wear too frequently. So I have a lot of these skirts folded up that I used to wear all the time, and I just don't wear them anymore. I feel a little too old for some of them now, but I thanked them and let them go. I have an excessive amount of sweatshirts, some that were getting really cruddy, so I knew I had to purge a few of those. That pile in the back is what I'm letting go of. And then I'm doing some smaller random articles of clothing. So I've got bras, accessories, some tank tops. I had a lot of bras that were in kind of crappy shape or didn't fit me, so I got rid of a lot of those. Some bathing suits. Then next up, I did my socks. I had a lot of socks that were either just getting really gross. Those fuzzy socks tend to get really bad over time. Next, I'm doing my t-shirt drawer. Now, I will admit I'm pretty stingy about my t-shirts. I have a lot of them, but I really like them and I wear them all the time since I currently just work from home. But there were a few I could definitely get rid of. And then onto my bottom drawer, I have some sweatpants, leggings, PJs, that sort of thing. So again, everything I'm putting over the left, I'm getting rid of. So I will go through this rack. Things that are nicer and were more expensive, I am going to list on my Poshmark and on Mercari. I will have those linked below if you're interested in checking out my stash. Anything else I am going to be donating, or anything in really bad condition, I will do textile recycling. So next up, it is Sam's turn. So he is emptying his hanging items out of the closet. So everything he's tossing onto the opposite side of the bed are the items he's getting rid of. And then that pile in the middle are things he needs to try on and is still thinking about. You can tell this kid likes a lot of black and plaid flannels. And now he's emptying out his shelves on his side of the closet. Again, everything he's tossing to the opposite side of the bed are the things he's letting go of. I must say he was definitely way more guilty than me of holding on to things that he hasn't touched in years. Of course, both of us had a few sentimental items that we don't want to let go of, like his bowling shirt you see here. And now he's decluttering his scarves and accessories. And here is our combined pile of our random assortment of items and my rack. So that is everything both of us have decided to let go of. Now we are moving on to our shoes, so I'm going first. Here's all my shoes. I actually don't have that many of them, but there's still a lot I can get rid of that I don't really wear. Everything over to the right side is what I'm letting go of. There were a couple things I was a little indecisive about. These purple cowboy boots were one of them. Then it was Sam's turn. He didn't have too many shoes, but there was just a few things he needed to let go of too. And here is our emptied out closet, completely free and clear of clutter and ready to be completely made over. Part 2 of this video will be me completely ripping everything out of here, painting it, and installing a new closet system and reorganizing everything in here. And here are all our donation bags. Like I said, I went through everything that we pulled to the side, and anything that was more expensive or high quality, I am listing on my Poshmark or Mercari, and then everything else I am donating.